Hi you guys. Today I'm going to show you how to use a dental floss in order to clean your teeth and how to use it correctly so you won't get hurt. So first of all, what you're going to have to do is go to your bathroom in the living room, or where do you have the bathroom, where do you hold the dental floss, and open the cupboard and take out the dental floss. Now, the second thing you're going to have to do is very simple. You're going to have to take the dental floss out of this pocket, yes, just like this, and you're going to pull it out. Yeah, you don't worry. Now you're going to have to pull a very large, and take out the dental floss like this, alright? And you're going to have a big enough length of the dental floss in order to use it. Then what you're going to have to do is pay carefully. You have to cut it, but if you won't pull it strong enough, it'll keep coming down. You see? It'll not cut. So you have to do it like this, and it's very fast, and then it's going to go down. Hi you guys. And now what we're going to have to do is you're going to take the dental floss that you took out of this, alright? And what you're going to have to do in order to be able to correctly use the dental floss is to spin it around your fingers like this. You have to spin the very big part of it, alright? Because you want to have a good grip with the dental floss, alright? And after you pull this down and you took it all together, alright? You have this small piece of dental floss and you can start using it at your teeth. Now what you have to do now, guys, you're going to have to take this out and put it inside your teeth when there's a small space between your tooth, and you're going to have to put it inside and start mumbling and juggling around up and down. Very easy, not to hurt your gums, but you have to clean the teeth. You have to do it very slow. Hi guys, like this, and you put it up like that. Up and down, like that. Now what you're going to see that after you use it for one time, the dental floss tends to tear, and then you cannot use it again because it's not good, and we're going to have to throw it away. But then what you're going to have to do now is take it out of dental floss, you guys. Yeah. And after we used it for like 1 or 2 times, it's going to tear and it's not going to work. So we're going to take another dental floss out. Again, like I've shown you before, you have to have a large enough piece in order to use on your hand, alright? So it's going to be like this thing. And then sometimes when you use it too much, you tend to lose all the dental floss that you had inside, but that's not to worry. You take this piece, and now it's large enough so we can use it, alright? So we can put it on our fingers like that, so it's going to be very comfortable. We're going to have a lot of grip on it, and then we're going to use it again like this, and we're going to put out. Now you have to pay attention not to put it too strong on your fingers, because then it's going to stop the blood flow to the finger. So you have to put it not too strong, and sometimes you have to open it up and put it like this again, and then do it again. I for example use a Colgate dental floss, or even Oral-B Satin with mint flavor. When I put it, you guys, hi you guys, when I put it inside my teeth, it's very good, it's refreshing, and it doesn't stink. Because sometimes when you do dental floss and then you smell the dental floss, it'll stink because your teeth are stinking. So what you have to do now, don't cheep on it. And then you have to put it like this, and in a swift blow you take it out. And what I want to show you now is how I really do that, and it's gonna be a bit of an example. Now what you have to do again is you take this like that, and you put it out like that, alright, and you take the piece out like this. And what you have to do is take it, and you have to have a mirror or something, and you do like this. Up and down, up and down. Again, up and down. In the middle of this, you can do like this. You see it here, and you can go like here, and and up and down, like this. Up and down, up and down. You see? Again, up and down, up and down. If you have a big you tend to have big gaps between your teeth, you can do it slower or faster. Depends. You go up for this, and you're like, here you get it inside. You see the gap? I see that. That's the gap. And now putting it up and down and cleaning the teeth. You see? It's like this. All right, just a second. All right, yeah, like this. You see? Yeah, that's the way we do it. And you go here, and you go to this one, and then. Sometimes it tends to get stuck. You put it out slowly without there, and you go to the other side and do like this. Again, up and down, up and down, up and down. You guys, that's what I do. And when you finish with it, you can throw it away. Again, sometimes you have to take the cord out of the finger, let the finger breathe a little bit, and then put it again inside. So that's for now, you guys. Hope you've enjoyed this media movie, and I hope to teach you again sometime soon some other stuff. For now, you know how to use a dental floss, and next time I'm going to show you how to brush your teeth. Hopefully it's going to be very, very fun. So bye, you guys, for now, and don't forget, you should use dental floss. It's very, very good for your teeth. Don't be cheap. Don't be cheap. Alright. Bye, you guys.